Have you ever experienced a situation whereby your blender runs but the blades are not turning at all? Guess what? I found the culprit. This cap here underneath, the one that holds the blade of your blender, connects directly to the motor, to the knob of the motor that drives the blades. Is the culprit. If the thread, it has threads here, if these threads are depicted or depleted, they are no longer there, vanished, so which means your motor will not be able to drive the blades because that knob on the motor will be spinning here without any making contact with this cap. So you need to replace the cap in order for your blender to be able to run. So if the knob runs and does not make any contact with this cap, your blades won't be able to run, and then you'll wonder why your blender is running smoothly, or the sound is perfect but there is no blending happening, or the blades are just standing still, or they could move slightly a bit depending on how much the threads have finished or depleted. So if there is no any thread left, your blades won't run at all, no matter how long you run your blender. So you need to replace that cap. Mind you, they differ according to the model of the blenders. This used to be one of the quality brands in the market. So the threads will get depleted, everything else will still remain tagged as it was. But with the new models, you may find that the whole thing is it's completely destroyed, affecting the blade, so the whole thing can no longer be used. You just need to replace the whole bottom part. So but with this one, you just need only the cap. Thank you for watching. Remember, at Ace Electricals, we sell brand new appliances and electronics. We buy and resell. We do repairs. We also educate people on how to use appliances effectively. In order for you to help us grow this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share in order for this channel to grow and reach more subscribers, in order to spread the word of gospel in educating our people on how to use appliances effectively. Thank you so much. See you on the next episode. Bye.